Yun. Check mic. 1, 2. So that, ayan. Thank you for letting me know. Mabagal yung internet natin, so I'm trying my best to do live. Ito yung speed test ko ngayon. Try to do live at a download speed of 2.83, 7.48. So, gaano ka bagal, I can't even share my live. So, please, kayo na po mag-share para sa akin. Sorry about that. Hindi pala na yung live ko kanina. That was my bad. Sobrang lakas ng background music, Yan. So, I guess that's the best setting for the background music para hindi gaano malakas. I cannot share my video, so please share this video. Thank you so much. Even my YouTube live is not working because sobrang bagal. So, we'll do our best. Topic natin ngayon is kind of very, one of the hot topics is Facebook. And Facebook dropped by a lot this last evening, right? FB, let me just open Facebook really quick. Share my screen. And Facebook, nakita nyo ba? This is Facebook yesterday. It was on a downtrend originally, pero it dropped. It closed at 26.39. It dropped 27% yesterday. So that's sad for Facebook. Ano nangyari, right? And what this is this an what if this is an opportunity, and what kind of opportunity is what do you call this? Is what does this mean for us, diba? Opportunity wise, what does this drop in Facebook mean? Right. So, yun pag-usapan natin. Again, please share this video. Please share this video to your friends, relatives, your Facebook, to your Facebook groups. I'm seeing one share. Thank you so much. I think, sino nag-share niyan? Thank you so much sa nag-share dyan. Alright, I'm seeing one share. So, hopefully, I've earned this request from you guys. Please share this video. Share po natin yung gabay. Alright, tulungan niyo po kami sa mission ko. Ako mismo, mission ko. For what do you call this, for Financial Freedom 101, na maabot natin yung mga newbies, right? Gabayan natin sila. The more newbies we are able to guide in their start, the better it is for them, not just for them, but for us. It will trickle down to us investors. Why? Because mas maraming tao na re-retain, especially the newbies, the healthier the market is, right? So that's how we want to impact and create a change. Karamihan kasi ng mga newbies na papaso at nag-quit kaagad because mali yung simula nila. So with your share, it will greatly help the stream. It's a Friday evening. I know everyone is out para what do you call this? I think may audio na. Okay na ba ang audio? Alright, everyone is out for partying, but you guys are staying with me this evening. I'll understand bakit konti lang viewers natin ngayon. I'm not able to share this kasi rin sa group ko. Ayun, share now public. I'm able to share it now. Share now, more options. Group. Ngayon lang nag-load. Sobrang hirap. So please help me share this video po. Thank you so much. Alright, I'll share this also to StockSets group. Ayan. One moment. Group, stocks, stock market education Pinoy, right? So, thank you so much for sharing. And thank you so much po. Alright. Ayaw pa rin mag-load ng iba kong mga ano. But yeah, I hope the live is good. So if ever medyo lag sa inyo or magka-problema man, please understand ang bagal ng net natin ngayon, and that's the reason why our live is not that strong. Alright, anyways, should be good now, 'di ba? Okay na ang live natin. Audio is good already, right? So, yun. So, let's talk about our topic, which is Facebook. Yan, si Facebook nag-drop kahapon ng massive numbers, right? 27%. That's a lot. That's a collapse technically. So, if you put in 100,000 pesos in Facebook, as of yesterday's close, it dropped 27%. So, you just lost 27,000 pesos. 1,000,000, which is what investors abroad put in. Malaki ang pera yan. They've lost a lot of sa 1,000,000, that's 270,000 pesos loss right there. So that's a big loss. So what does this mean? And maybe we can spot an opportunity here. If you have any comments about what happened to Facebook, post in the comments. Wala pong wrong wala pong maling comment dito. So let me know. Pero yeah, ito yung nangyari and what can we learn from this? Right? So nangyari is Facebook has been very successful in the past few years because palaki ng palaki ang users nila. Lumalaki yung users nila the past few years, di ba? Lumalaki, tapos since lumalaki yung users, advertisement is going up. Yun yung kasi one of the reason why stocks of Facebook is very high. Let me show you my screen. So, why it was doing this, grabe na, akyat ni Facebook. Hindi lang yan. Even the years before, hindi nyo lang makita pinakamababa dyan. But yeah, this was the first major drop of Facebook after the pandemic, di ba? But yeah, what happened here is that they had underwhelming na earnings. Underwhelming na earnings meaning very, very low ang earnings nila. Malaki pa rin, overall, pero yung growth kasi ng isang company, nasa earnings natin nakikita, di ba? So that's the reason why when we are investing in a company, we always look at the earnings. Kasi yung earnings nila, kahit malaki, let's compare to last year's earnings. Mas mababa po. Hindi po tumubo yung earnings nila. Because if ever lumaki pa yung earnings nila compared to last year, that means the company is still growing. Earnings went down compared to last year. That means mas lesser na ang growth ng company, right? Yung earnings, andun pa rin, malaki pa rin ang earnings, pero compared to last year, it's not there anymore. Users are trickling down. So, not trickling down. And especially sa younger demographics, right? Why? Because the younger demographics is now more looking into or using in what do you call this? Instagram and TikTok, which is very strong right now sa TikTok, right? So lumilipat na ang younger generation. Hindi na sila sa Facebook, pang matanda na ang Facebook, pang gores na tulad natin. Nasa TikTok na sila ngayon, which is short videos, mas interesting daw yon, etc. Using Facebook for connection na lang sa but not really consuming Facebook that much anymore. Opportunity-wise, maraming angle kasi ito eh, right? Let's talk about opportunities right here. So, on the screen right now. So, stocks-wise, is there an opportunity here? I don't recommend. All right? I don't recommend that as of the moment. Why? Because those si Facebook ang nauna na very successful social media platform, marami na po ngayon ang social media platform. So, parami sila ng parami, right? So, that's one reason why I'm not looking at Facebook right now as an investment opportunity kahit na napakamura niya ngayon compared to the previous prices. I will not be buying this. I will see what Facebook will be working on. They're working on the metaverse, but I'm not a big fan of metaverse. For me, it's just absurd to see people na naka-VR glasses and spending their time in the virtual world instead of the real world, right? Our real world is already so beautiful. Why go into virtual world there? So I'm not a big fan of the metaverse. That's one of the things that they are working on. Okay? So, pasensya na, may ads yung Spotify ko. Libre lang. Anyways, Spotify kasi yung gamit ko para sa background music. Anyways, yeah, I'm not looking into Facebook right now. We'll see in the future if they have big projects that can affect their growth. Again, one of the reasons why you're investing in a company is its growth factor, diba? Right now, the growth factor is Facebook is not really there. It can still grow. Marami pa rin tao na kakasimula pa lang sa internet. But because of the competition Facebook is facing, ang dami pang mga problema ng Facebook. So, Facebook's not really growing that much anymore. And I don't want to get into Facebook anymore because of that. So, opportunity-wise, when it comes to stocks of Facebook, I'm out of it. And let me just check. Taka lang ha. Alright, so there's also, and nagla-live din tayo sa Stocks Ed. Thank you so much. Alright, so moving back to our live. So sa stocks wise, I'm not keen into looking into Facebook for opportunity. That means if bumaba yan ang presyo, I'm not considering investing in it. Okay? Hindi ko bibilin sa Facebook because of the reasons I told you earlier. What does this mean also? Is there still opportunity in Facebook? Let's look at Facebook in a different perspective na yun, right? Not just a what do you call this? Sorry. Let me just, kasi medyo malakas sa headphones ko yung background music. Kind of distracting. Let me just transfer here. Yan. So, si Facebook, different perspective now, right? Ito yung quote na lagi kong sinasabi sa inyo guys when it comes to live, during my seminars. When it comes to Facebook, social media in general, is social media using you or are you using social media, right? There's always that question. Always ask yourself this also sa mga kapanood pa lang. Is social media using you or are you using social media? Diba? That means is in financial terms, is social media using you para kumita ng pera or are you using social media to earn money? Diba? Obviously, I'm on the other side. I'm on that flip side because I use Facebook as my platform to be an influencer. So I'm using social media, not social media using me, diba? So ganyan na opportunity. That means that somehow andyan pa rin yung opportunity. Facebook will still be there, not naman always. Will still be there. It will still be a very good platform for you to make money, right? Online selling, isa yun sa pinakamalaki, be an influencer, create videos and share your vlogs, etc. through Facebook, create contents. You can still make money in Facebook. What this just mean is that you have to look into other platforms now because other platforms are catching up and there's an entirely different market there that you can take advantage of. TikTok, which is sisimulan ko na mag-TikTok. I'll study TikTok in the next coming weeks. Maybe expand my contents there sa TikTok. Dip my feet in the TikTok industry again, diba? Use social media. We're gonna be trying to use TikTok also to create contents, maybe short contents about financial freedom, etc. So I'm gonna be trying that. You should do that also. That's an opportunity that you can look at. You look into with this what do you call this? Revealing event na nangyari kay Facebook kahapon. Right? There's so much opportunity online, so much money to be made online. Hopefully, you are taking advantage of it. Okay? Yun yung podcast natin ngayon. Karamihan kasi ng Pinoy, ikaw, I know. When we talk about financial freedom, yes, bili tayong assets, right? And sometimes it sounds exhausting when we talk about assets kasi, assets naman, kailangan ko bumili ng ganyan. Pinaka underestimated asset ng mga tao right now is videos, right? Why? A video kasi parang simple ng pakinggan di ba? Gawa ka ng video, upload mo online. Ganito kasi, the video does not cost a lot to create and it is a digital asset. Right? Ito yung digital asset na importante. Hindi po NFTs. But videos are very valuable digital assets, and I'm one living proof of that. Why? Ganito kasi, pag nagtatrabaho ka, I know you love your job, gusto niyo yung trabaho ninyo. Ganito lang, the contrast lang, right? I have nothing against your job. I'm just telling you the contrast, right? So let's say for example, nagtatrabaho ka, maybe you are an Uber driver, right? An Uber driver. And sa isang araw na trabaho mo, let's say, nakalinis ka ng 1,500, malaki na yan, di ba? One day of work, you earn 1,500. Good, di ba? That's very good earnings for a hard day's work. The problem is, once that day passes, yun lang kinita mo on that day, 1,500, hindi mo na Wala ka nang pwedeng kitain on that day na natrabaho mo. That was the peak earning for that day, right? But when compared to creating videos, when you create a video, isang video, yes, it might take 1 day for you to create a video, right? Maliit ang kita niya sa simula, pero the earning potential is endless. Okay? What I mean by that is, let's say for example, I created a video about the basics of investing in stock market, right? And even until now, those videos are earning. Kasi marami pa rin Pilipino na nagsisimula sa stock market and they're still watching it, naghahanap online how to start in the stock market. If you click on my video, I'm gonna be earning on it, right? So, every day, I'm earning, isa yan. Even if I'm talking to you right now or even if I am on a vacation, that video is earning me money kahit maliitan lang. Maliitan lang isang video. Diba? So, I'll get to that point. But yeah, the point is, even if tulog ako, even if I'm enjoying on a vacation, enjoying time with my family, I'm still earning money because of that video. Okay? 1 day's work. Okay? Ano pa? Third point is, let's say down the road, 10 years from now, if stock market is still gonna be there, that video I created for just 1 day will still keep on earning and earning and earning. Let's say, for example, that video will earn me $20 a month. $20 a month, it's around 1,000 pesos, right? So, I'll tell you honestly, isang video ko is around, napakita ko naman sa inyo to noon $5 to $10 a month, right? So, in 1 year, that video will, on average, gain me 70, right, around, lagyan natin, $7 ang average, $84 a month. $84 is how much? Almost almost 4,000, right? 4,000 pesos a year. It will earn me 4,000 pesos a year. Fast forward 10 years, for that video has already earned me 40,000 pesos in 10 years. Okay? But my point is, the earning potential of one video, one digital asset, which is a video, is limitless compared sa you work hard in a day. At yun lang ang ceiling ng kita mo. Hindi mo na mauulit yung araw na yun. Right? So, what if you have, let's say for example, kahit $5 a month lang kinikita ng video na yan. Right? What if you have 10 videos that will generate you $5 a month? That's $50 a month. And then, times 1 year, you do the math, $600. And fast forward 10 years. But yeah, that's my point. Earning potential is limitless. And pumapatong yan. The more videos you make, the more assets you have. And you know, when it comes to passive income, the more assets you have, the bigger your passive income is. So, yeah, TikTok can be a digital asset too. You can expand into that. Please, hopefully you go into, you check, you realize that video making it's a very good asset. Okay? Hopefully makita nyo po yan. Sir Lloyd, naiiyak ako, I'm camera shy. Sobrang dami po ng YouTuber dyan na hindi nagpapakita ng mukha nila. Alam niyo, gumagawa lang ng mga nagbubukas lang ng mga laruan ng bata. Hindi nila pinapakita yung mukha nila, nagnanarrate lang, kamay lang nila, binubuksan yung mga laruan, yung mga surprise egg, etc. Kumikita yun sila. Sobra-sobra. Right? So, it's not an excuse. Kung gusto, palagi merong paraan. Right? Should live with that kind of mentality. Anyways, yan. So, punta tayo sa charting, right? I've made my point. I just wanna make people I just wanna make you realize that you should be looking into social media also. Sobrang dami, sobrang laki ng earning potential yun dyan sa social media. Let me go to Good evening, Sir Lloyd. More power. Kailan nilalabas sa invite sa webinar tomorrow on Shadow Technique for Junior Aquino? Alright, we will email everyone na i-message namin. Makikita nyo naman yan sa Telegram natin. Right? So, invitation will be sent through the Telegram. Meaning, lahat po ng registered lang sa Izanagi ang makakapasok sa invitation natin bukas. Talking about Izanagi, bago tayo mag-charting, let me just share my screen. Alright, so Izanagi, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, so Izanagi is up 300.36% as of February 2. 300.93% na po ang growth ni Izanagi. So, it's still constantly going up and up and up. Right? This is 300% gains in more or less 1 year and 1 month. Right? 1 year and 1 month, 300% gains. Your bank will not give you even 10% of this. 10% of this is 30%. No. Your bank will not give that to you. Right? Izanagi, at the performance niya in 1 year. Right? It sounds too good to be true, but ito pong website na ito, I'll post it in the comments. You can check it out para makita niyo po yung statistics niyan. We cannot fake that website. That's verified po na mga results. So check nyo na lang po yung results natin dyan. Okay, so 300%, ang drawdown po nito is around 40%, right? 40% meaning bumagsak yung account at around 40% at one point. This was the stress test account. Pinakamababa nito in reality was around 25%. Anyways, 40%, are you willing to risk 40%? Malaki pakinggan, di ba? 40% ang bagsak ng portfolio, Sir Lloyd? Yes. But are you willing to risk 40% to earn 300%? That's the question right there. That's how you look at drawdown. So, malakas po siya mag-drawdown. Since it is in Forex, it's averaging down strategy with our technical analysis and our patterns in Forex. So, yung mga strategy namin sa Forex, linagay na namin dito. And it has been very successful. Right? May backtest po ito. Nagawa na natin ang backtest nito. And it has been doing well also. So, Izanagi is for free. It's bot trading. This is bot trading, meaning automated trading po ito. Once you create an account, lagyan niyo ng pera, let our bot do the trades for you. Everything you've seen here, at nakikita niyo 300%, wala po ako may ginagawa dyan. Ang bot na po ang nag-trade niyan. It's all passive income at this point. But then again, previous performance does not indicate future performance. So, hindi natin alam in next year, less than 300 lang, baka negative, or baka nga mas mataas pa sa 300%. Who knows, right? But this is just the performance after 1 year. Ang projection namin dito was around 60 to 70% in a year lang. Pero nag-overperform siya to 300%, which is crazy. It already sounds too good to be true because of it. But anyways, it is what it is. Congratulations sa mga Izanagi dyan. Right, if you can, share if ever you're using Izanagi, let the audience know how much your earning is in Izanagi already for how long. Also, I have my parang personal promo ko na lang kasi nanalo tayo sa Shadow Technique. Shadow Technique, ito yung manual trade natin and you're seeing it right here. 453% in just this 1, 2, 3. 3 months, 453%. Okay? Whew, times 5 ang pera, di ba? So, yeah, since mayroon namin panalo sa Shadow Technique, we want to share it. If ever meron kayong ma-invite na, what do you call this, na bagong member ng Izanagi, libre ko kayo ng 1 buwan na sa, ninyo, VPS. Right? Izanagi is for free, yung VPS lang ang babayaran nyo, which is just 500 a month. Pero libre ko yan kung may ma-refer man kayo. Okay? Hanggang 5. Alright? I'll be giving 5. Sino unang 5? Meron ng una. Jenna Diano, congratulations. Thank you for inviting Jessica Nang. So yeah, Jenna Diano, thank you so much once again. Nag-invite siya habang kinakasal siya ngayon. So shout out to you, man. And then we still have 4. Sinong 4 na susunod? If you're able to refer someone, let me know. Send me a message. Financial Freedom 101. Libre ko 1 buwan na VPS. And tsaka 2 random. 7 lahat ang bibigyan ko. 2 random. Anyways, that's it for Izanagi. If you wanna know more about Izanagi, go into video description. Andyan po yung link ng video ni Izanagi. And then if ever you wanna register, andyan rin po yung registration link sa video description. Okay, let's go charting. May mga request tayo dito for charting. Let me go to the comments. One moment. Here we go. Anyways, Nano Joseph, good evening, Sir Lloyd. URC converge, please. Thanks. So let's check out URC. URC, one of the hot stocks right there. Ganda na support ni URC, the major support is right here. May support tayo dito. There's a possible support right here, but overall, URC is on a downtrend. Tingnan lang muna natin. Pinakamaganda is really, if it breaks out from this downtrend, that's gonna be your signal for buying URC. Maganda yung senyales ng SLP tuloy, ng RSI niya. So, looking well si URC. Let it break out from its downtrend lang. And then si Converge C and VRG, Converge ICT. Right, Converge. Ooh, sa clap ng drop ni Converge, there's a support right here, but downtrend, my friend. So, I will stay away from it for now. Let's see if it will stabilize anytime soon. Tsaka sobrang overpriced kasi ni Converge for me, so I cannot recommend Converge at this point. That's for Nano Joseph Jr. Aquino. Good evening, Sir Lord. May power kailan nilalabas. Nabasa na natin to. Vine, thank you for tagging your friend. Let me go to YouTube. May mga comments dito. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Facebook dropped because it's just fighting tool. It's just a fighting tool in the Philippines and PayPal. Oh my God. Oo nga eh. Ano ba ang drop ni PayPal? PYPL. Medyo may makamahala na kasi si PayPal din eh. PayPal Holdings. Boom. 6. Dropped. Nga pala, no? Si PayPal dropped. Anyways, kasi si GCash. Andiyan na si GCash sa Pilipinas eh. RC, Dutex, lahat po ng pang dollar average ko, sir, ini-invest ko sa Facebook. Lahat ng pang dollar average ko, sir, ini-invest ko sa Facebook. I'm not very fond of that move right now, man, because Facebook, ang dami niyang competition na kinakarap right now. Ian Villarreal, good evening, sir. Wait lang, ma-validate exam account. Makapag-Izanagi na. Alright, congratulations, Ian. See you in Izanagi. Dice, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Long time no stream. Good evening po. Magandang gabi, Dice. Alright, o nga medyo nahit tayo nung bagyo kasi. So, hanggang ngayon, sa main na bahay ko, internet still down, so I cannot go there. Dito, nakita nyo naman yung speed test ko. Walang joke. Yan. I'm trying to stream with a download of 2.83, upload of 7.48. And so far, so good. Laban lang. Pero yeah, I'm in a remote location. I'll do my best to live pa rin, di ba? Para sa inyo. Down na US stocks, is this already considered recession? Nope. No, I cannot call it a recession. Major pullback lang. Kasi sobrang mahal ng stock sa US. There's no reason for a recession in US right now. Okay pa naman yung employment rate nila. Okay naman yung technically employment and their inflation is still okay. It's not a recession. Nico Mnaga, good PM coach. Ganda ng kita ng Izanagi. Suggestion ko po, pwede po ba sa update yung start ng January 2022? Then for last year ay history niya. Suggestion lang naman po. O nga for this one right here, yung updates lang natin dito is for this year lang. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to do that. I'm not really a big MyFX book techie thing. So, custom analysis, baka may pwedeng custom analysis dito. 1 month. Pwede. I think pwede. So, 1 month analysis niya, 4.99% na po tayo from January 3. Pwede pa lang ganun. Right. Thank you for letting me know. So, for January 3 onwards, it's already up 4.99%. Let me share my screen. Ayan, pwede pala ito. So, this is Izanagi's performance. Nakikita nyo, pag bumabagsak yung positions natin, nagne-negative siya. When the market corrects itself from 0.45, nagja-jump 2.03%. So, drawdown is your friend technically sa Izanagi. Okay? So, it's already up 4.99, 5% for this year. Congratulations. Right? Thank you so much for that suggestion, man. If ever hindi nyo sinuggestion, hindi ko nalaman na meron palang ganito na option. Saan ko nga ba yun? Custom analysis ito. Custom analysis pala. Pwede palang ganun. Anyways, thank you for that recommendation. Jason Reynold Campo, pacheck naman po sir ang Converge, just cover that. Dai, sorry to hear sir Lloyd, sana wala nasaktan sa family niyo. Okay lang naman, no problem naman. Thank God, everything, maraming sira sa mga gamit. Pero everyone is safe, which is good, and I cannot be sad, right? I'm still very thankful if I compare myself sa mga na-hit talaga na mas grabe sa bagyo. So I can't complain, man. Thank you so much. Lem Bass Guitar, right? Lem Bass Guitar. Good evening, sir. How about the other members of FA Ang? Will they follow the Facebook trend? I'm not sure what you mean by FA Ang. Will they follow the Facebook trend? I can't really be sure, but yeah, markets in the international market is not looking so well. So baka, right? Michael Oriel is asking about DMC and LTG. DMC and LTG. Let's open DMC. DMCI Holdings. And here we go. Right, so DMCI Holdings, kakaakyat niya lang. Pag nagtuloy-tuloy yung breakout ng markets natin, look at DMCI, and then kung mag-breakout to, that's gonna be your trade right there. Short-term trade lang, no holding for this one because DMCI is expensive. So, short-term trade for DMC. LTG, let's check out LTG. LTG, mukhang nagsusupport dito So, tignan nyo po sa support si LTG. Baka mag-okay si LTG sa support yan. Overall, nasa baba pa naman si LTG. So, we'll check at this support right here. Let's see what LTG will be doing with the RSIs. Okay? So, abang-abang lang muna. No buy signal for LTG for now. Going to our stocks, Ed. Ayan. Kel, Mike, Sir Lloyd, ni-refund ni dito yung ang SRO subscription ko. What the advice? Buy na lang po ba or wait sa next SRO? Wait na lang sa next SRO. Right? So, good thing na-refund na. Right? Kasi nag-back out si dito. But yeah, dito still a very good company to go into long term. Still napakabata pa ng telco industry natin dito sa Pilipinas. So there's a lot of growth factors still available right there. Wait, one moment. Alright, Norman, Coach, Dito, Emery Eat, JFC, please. Alright, let's check out Dito. Dito sa puso ko. Alright, Dito. That's a buy right there, man. Pull back and bounce ka agad with good volume. That's a buy, ladies and gentlemen. Nag-breakout siya na short downtrend niya right there. So, Dito is a buy for me. Good find. Emery Eat. Kamustahin natin si Emery Eat. Lakas na Eat, pero overpriced na siya. So, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Nag-break na ng MA20. So, the uptrend is done. I could be wrong, but my technical analysis saying that this is done already. Stay away from Emery Eat. JFC naman. Ooh, MA20 bounce for JFC. That's a buy right there sa MA20. This is the reason why I love MA20. Nakita nyo saan yung mga magandang bounces. Then yung sinasala ang isang magandang uptrend. Kaka-break lang ng downtrend ni JFC. Kaka-break lang ng Bollinger Bands. And my lesson about Bollinger Bands, if you know, after breaking the Bollinger Bands, saan yun aabangan yung pullback niya sa MA20. So hopefully napasok niyo yung MA20 ni JFC. Wala pa tayo sa overbought na RSI, so that's still, I would say, still good to go. And use MA20 as your support cut loss. Below that, short-term trade since medyo nakalipad na sa JFC. Okay, let me just, there should be 8 comments already for JFC, please. Let's check out for, ayan. Ramin Sepasi, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Hope you're doing well. Do you use 20, 50, 100 EMA in trading? I don't use exponential. What do you call this? Anong term yan? Yung nagko-cross exponential moving average. Because I only use MA20. Why don't I use that? Hindi naman kasi ako gaano momentum trader. I'm more of a position trader. That's the reason why I do not, hindi ako gaanong nagagamit ng ganyan. Ryan Lasio, ano pong broker mo sa US? Right now, ang broker ko sa US is eToro. Alkisto, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Good evening. Shy, sir, nag-PM pala ako sa FB page. Oh, alright. So, I'll check it out. Is it about Tetan? This weekend, magpe-payout tayo. Right? Sir Lloyd, nirifa ni dito, nabasa natin to. Coach, ayan, nabasa natin to. Let's go back to financial freedom na live. That's Michael Oriel. All day, this is from De Guzman Oliver. Let me just check all day for you. All day, every day. All day, support na si all day Because support na and then the RSI is looking well. I would say yes, trade this. I wouldn't go for long term for all day. Pero kung nag-green to, that's a buy for all day. That's a strong support. That's a stronger support compared to these supports right here. Kakatapos na ng downtrend niya, nag-breakout na, and then it's creating a support. That's a buy right there, man. Good find, galing. Love this trade. I love this trade. These are my kind of trades. Right, going back to YouTube. Magandang gabi. Right, Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, Google, Pooser. Okay. Facebook is a completely different business naman. So, iba yung bagsak talaga ni Facebook. Apple and Amazon, Netflix, Google, Pooser. Though, the tech stocks are kind of bloated right now, so take profits nangyayari. That should be okay. That's understandable. I've been saying this before. Nasdaq has been kind of expensive already. So most probably these stocks are going to be following and then mag-stabilize din naman yan before it will start to grow again. But I'll look more into this about this pullback ng US markets. Right? I'll look more into this. Again, Izanagi, ladies and gentlemen, andyan sa video description ang what do you call this? Ang registration. Let me just get it for you para hindi nyo na kailangan pa magpunta dyan at diretso na kayo sa registration. Register for Izanagi right here. Alright, here we go. Lagay ko dito sa FB live natin, sa mga nanonood sa StockSed. Here we go. Register there. And pati sa YouTube. Alright. So, please register there. And then, bayaran nyo lang yung VPS anyways. Don't worry, yung VPS ninyo magsisimula lang naman pag andyan na yung XM ninyo. That means you're already registered for Izanagi. You will receive an invitation for our kickoff next tomorrow around 7:30 in the evening. Kickoff po yan. Updates namin sa Izanagi sa lahat ng mga users, and then i-introduce namin sa Izanagi users first ang shadow technique na strategy for them to be able to take advantage of the shadow technique strategy. What is shadow technique strategy? Technically, di ba, ang ganda ng trades ni Izanagi. If nakita niyo po yung what do you call this? If nakita niyo na po yung what do you call this? Ang statistics ni Izanagi, short swan 75%, long swan 65% po ang statistics niya. Technically, that's already very good. If you win 6 out of 10 trades, that's a good trading strategy. Okay, this one is winning 75%, 65%. So this is already a very good trading strategy. Ang ginagawa po namin dito, Izanagi is automated. Si Izanagi po naghahanap ng mga buy and sell signals. Right? So we created statistics on all the strategy. All the buys and sell of Izanagi. And then, we pick the most winning strategy or the most winning buys of Izanagi. Technically, ito si Izanagi. Izanagi averages down kasi. So, let's say, for example, nung bumili siya with our technical analysis, mukhang bottom na ito at this range. Izanagi buys there. And then, pag bumaba pa, and then it waits for another bottom. And then, once it gets another bottom, magbabay na naman si Izanagi. That's level 2 buying. Level 1 yung una, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5. Right? So, we have the statistics, let's say per pair. Let's say for example, kay GBP USD, ang statistics ni Izanagi, for example lang to it only reached level 7 the past year na performance ni Izanagi. So, pag nag-reach siya ng level 7 na buy, pang 7 average down, nananalo na siya. It only reached level 7 once. And once it reached level 7, boom, panalo na. Meaning, minsan lang nangyayari yan. Pag nangyayari yan, mas malaki ng chances of winning. Right? So, that's what we buy. Right? Pag nag-level 7 si Izanagi, Our system tells that, guys, level 7 has Izanagi. We will tell it to everyone. Guys, level 7 buy of Izanagi on GBP USD. This is the time you buy it. Kasi hindi nyo pwedeng bilhin si Izanagi, sundan si Izanagi sa unang bilhin niya, bibili kayo kaagad, sundan nyo si Izanagi. Hindi. Kasi, bakit nyo pa gagawin yun? Let Izanagi do the work, di ba? Pero kung si Izanagi dumating na sa level 5, level 6, level 7 na buys, those are very good positions already, and we have the statistics to prove it na pag umaabot na sa ganyan level, nananalo na yung positions from that point forward. That's the reason why you saw our shadow technique na account reaching 100% gains. I mean, 100% na win rate. Okay? Let me just get it for you guys. It's crazy, si shadow technique. But hopefully you take advantage of it. Let me just, my messenger is not loading because I want to get the link once again. Sad. Sad that my messenger is not working right now. Sobrang bagal kasi ng internet. One moment. Ayan, naka-live na. Alright, so this is the performance of Izanagi, our Izanagi bot. 264%. This is track record verified. You want to check it out? I'll post it in the comments. Ayan. Para makita niyo yung statistics, right? So this is also verified na track record po. Right? So 264% na po itong account na ito. This is shadow technique na ginawa namin. This started December 7. 264% already yung shadow technique. Okay? 264%, and then that's December 7. This is already 2 months. Ito ang malupit kay shadow technique. 7% drawdown. Only 7% drawdown niya. So 7%, you're risking 7% for 260 gains in just 2 months. Boom panis. Sa 20 trades and 27 trades namin in 2 months, 100% wala pong talo yan. Okay? That's 100% on all the trades. Those are wins. At hindi po drawdown lang nangyayari. Right? Let me go back to chart. Yan. Yung yellow, this is the drawdown and draw up. This should have been 112% at this point kung binenta namin that position, pero hindi namin nabenta at 112. We were able to close on this day at 83% instead. But 264% in 2 months, 7% drawdown, 100% win rate. Ganun kalupit si Izanagi. So, abangan niyo po bukas mga Izanagi users. Explain namin further how Izanagi is doing. But then again, but the general summary of it is we are riding on the successful trades of Izanagi, and then we're just picking out the best trades of Izanagi and we put it in shadow technique. So, congratulations sa mga nasa Izanagi. Grabe. Pang scam na yung numbers natin. But anyways, it is what it is. And we're sharing this to you guys for free. You know that. From the start pa lang na linabas namin sa Izanagi, it has been for free for everyone. Anyways, I guess I'm able to read all the comments already. Meron pa. Coach Pahabol, kamusta si Ember Sword? Ember Sword, lalabas na daw yung laro. First quarter of this year. We're still at February, March daw eh. So we'll see. Kamusta na si Ember Sword? But then again, bawi na tayo dun eh. So, pag lumabas yung laro, for sure, lilipad na naman yung assets natin. We'll try to sell it during that time. HTI, merong request dito. Sige, before we end, I just want to make sure na nadadaanan ko yung lahat ng mga requests. Right, HTI. Wala pa rin clear na technical analysis right here. Still volatile on the downside, pero mukhang humihina na. We don't have Bollinger Bands, we don't have MA at this point for HTI. So it's really hard to say right now. It's still very volatile. I don't like that kind of trade. Sir, GMA7 po at nickel. Let's check out GMA7. GMA7. And excited na ako bukas, guys. See you tomorrow. It's already closing inside Bollinger Band, so medyo mahina yung climb nito. We're seeing bearish signals already for RSI. So, it's already too late. If napansin nyo, meron tayong mga linya dito. That is when we last called for GMA7. Kailan siya magandang pasukin. No? This was still at December. Nung breakout na yan, yun yung magandang entry ni GMA7, but wala na. It's already too late at this point. So you cannot, I will not recommend GMA7 anymore, especially that our index is already at resistance levels. I could be wrong, pwede pa umakyat yan, but it's not my kind of trade. I'm a position trader at the bottom. Usually nagbo-bottom pick kasi ako. Kilala niyo ako, so I have that kind of bias. Ooh, good climb for nickel kanina, 5.84%, but we are sitting in resistances. Medyo overbought na. So, susunod na lang na baba. Nakita nyo to, mga linyang ito. Those are the best entry points for nickel. Ngayon, nasa resistance tayo. Sell levels na yan, ladies and gentlemen. So, I will strongly recommend to stay away from it. Okay, so, I guess I'm able to read everything already. Yeah, wala nang comments. Alright. And, ayun, Nico Managa, Coach, yung shadow technique ay manual trading. Tama po ba? I think pwede po i-apply yung ng robot, yung approach or strategy ng shadow tech. Manual trading po siya. Kaso nga lang, hindi po namin we've already tried to automate it, but it's not possible. Walang gaanong activity, and we cannot give a counter on the bot if ever. Ito na yung technical analysis kasi. Ang ganito kasi, usually our buys are based on technical analysis. Okay, let's talk about it before we end. Our buys in the bot is based on technical analysis. Ito yung, nakita nyo naman ako, how do I determine the bottom RSI, etc. How do I determine the bottom before I say buy, di ba? So, ganun din si Izanagi. Right? If ever our technical analysis are hit, yun yung buy signal niya. Pag nakita yung technical analysis na yun. Tapos, pag mali, it will look for that kind of technical analysis further down. And then, it will buy again. So, the buy is happening through the technical analysis signals. Ang problema sa shadow technique is we're not basing on the technical analysis anymore, but we're basing on the statistics of Izanagi. So, we cannot apply those conditions ng statistics into a bot ng EA. So, it's not possible. Hindi naman ma-automate. Kasi kung technical analysis lalagay namin, nangyayari yung technical analysis na yun on the top pa lang eh. So, we were not able to automate it. Coach, paano makita yung kagaya ng sa screen mo, yung makikita yung growth at chart ni Izanagi? Go to myfxbook.com. And then, si Jan kasi nag-set up nito eh. So, but yeah, go to this page and then set it up there. Right? You should be, ilalagin mo yung, I'm not sure paano ito ginawa, but yeah, ilalagin mo yung MT4 number mo, and then it should check your history. And mangyayari po yan. So, yeah. Alright, so, that's it for me this evening. It's Friday evening. Time for you guys to party. Relax lang muna. It's gonna be a very beautiful weekend. Enjoy the time with your family, but most importantly, please stay safe po. Right? I'll see you again on Monday. Bukas sa mga Izanagi users, kita-kits tayo sa kick-off natin for this year. Dapat January nangyari yan, kaso nga lang nabagyo nga kami. Dapat year-end party pa nga yan eh. There are going to be rewards. Share namin sa inyo yung success ng shadow technique. Linagyan namin ng pera yan, to sobrang laki ng kinita. So we're gonna be sharing it to our Izanagi users also bukas sa live natin. So kita-kits tayo. We're gonna be sending out the invitation bukas sa Telegram. Bukas, right? For us, Daily Grind, Monday po ulit tayo. Once again, enjoy the rest of the weekend. Stay safe. And of course, let's get rich together. Bye, everyone.